Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial world. Today I will explain how to download mechanical aptitude test preparation application for free. Here you can see the screenshot of that application, and here you can see the category set 1 and set 2 and number of questions you want to attend, and these are the sample questions. Questions on gears, questions on gears, questions on levers, questions on pulleys, and here you can see your result, how much you scored, and you can check for the answers also. It will show which is right and which is wrong answer. So let's install the application and check how it works. So I will click on install. To download this application, I will share the download link in the video description. Don't forget to download this app today itself. The app started downloading. The size of the app is very small. And share this application with your friends also. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and please review this application. And if you have any comments, you can put it in the comment box in Google Play Store. So the application is completely installed. Now I will click on open. So here, this is the app main page. You can see it is having mechanical aptitude test. I will click on mechanical aptitude test, and it is showing select the category. There are two sets, one is set 1 and set 2. I will select set 2 and I will select, I want 10 questions. I want to attend 10 questions, so I will click on start quiz. So the first question is, at which wicket is the cable fixed better? So I will select the answer. Yeah, it is a wrong answer. So we go for the, you can try with others also. See, at wicket B, yeah. So wicket B is the correct answer. I will click on next. Okay. And next, you can see the question on ice. So I will click on the answer. So this is the correct answer. Next. And levers and some chain support, and the questions on density of fluid. So for each questions on pulley and pictorial questions and questions on gear and questions on disc. So here you can see I scored 3 out of 10 and incorrect 710, and here you can check the correct answers also. See, here it will show which are the correct answers. So this will help a lot for reviewing. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to download this application. It is free. You can find the download link in the video description. Thanks once again.